Now that our shapes are glued on, we're going to create symmetrical designs on our project. Remember, symmetry means same on both sides. It's a mirror image. So I have a pink circle at the top of this wing, so I'm also going to have a pink circle at the top of this side. Same with my squares, same with my small hearts. So we're going to be adding lines today using oil crayons, and it doesn't matter what lines you choose to make. What matters is that whatever you do on one side, you have to copy and do on the other side exactly the same. So when I created these lines around these squares, I needed to do the exact same thing on both sides. So let's get started and see how we can start building a symmetrical design on our butterfly. Pick any color that you'd like to start with, and I'm going to create a line here around the head and the body. So now I know that this is one wing and this is the other wing, and they need to be symmetrical. And I don't want to just use the color in one spot, so I'm going to use this green again somewhere else. I feel like this square is wanting me to make a line to divide this, so I'm going to match it on the other side. And maybe I'm going to do a line up and around this circle at the top of the wing. And if I do it on the right side, I have to do it on the left side also. After I have put one color in several spots, now it's time to choose a new color and a new design. So I think I'll go with orange. And this time I think I'm going to add a line that goes from the body up to the circle. Let's try to match that on the other side. And now that I've done that line, maybe I want to do one from the bottom of the circle back. So here's the bottom of the circle, back. Notice that I'm always pausing to do both sides before I move on to a new area. Maybe down here, I want the square to feel more circular and have a similar shape. So maybe this time I'll start at this corner and go around the square, and it looks like a teardrop. So now I'll do a teardrop on this side. Now maybe I'm going to do some lines in a new color. So maybe I will do, this looks like a little triangle shape in here. So I'm going to make a triangle shape on each side. And maybe I'll do some dots of blue that get smaller as they get into that central space. So have fun with this. Continue to make your lines and designs symmetrical so that your final butterfly matches from one side to the other side with your designs.